Gemba walks bring leaders to the source of value creation, which is the shop floor. And who will give you that information? The people working there. So according to Six Sigma practice, Gemba walks promote fact-based decision-making. It helps you collect the facts you need to decide what you want to invest in, which automation project you want to do. Do you want to digitalize, or does it, maybe you don't want to, okay? Maybe digitalization is not the solution for you. There are other things. It strengthens employee involvement because they see that you are asking them, involving them, and you give them importance. It improves the communication between departments, also between the team on the shop floor. When they are all together doing the Gemba walk with the management team, they will all contribute their own part, and they will feel that they are part of a team. And it supports a culture of continuous improvement.